Commencing with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. What He sees cannot be seen, what He creates cannot be created. Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all our guests for joining us today in the annual function of our school. I would also like to thank our staff and students for all of their hard work and preparation. Today I want to talk about a profession that is often underappreciated, yet it is the backbone of a society. लिख रहा हूँ लफ्ज़ याद के लिए, काबिल कहा हूँ कि लिख सको उस्ताद के लिए। लिख रहा हूँ लफ्ज़ याद के लिए, काबिल कहा हूँ कि लिख सको उस्ताद के लिए। खुदा करे कि हो हर एक तालिब इल्म में, खुदा करे कि हो हर एक तालिब इल्म में एहतराम का जज्बा हर एक उस्ताद के लिए। Excellency, someone has rightly said that life is the name of change. It is universal truth because we rise and fall in your field of life. Being a Muslim, it is our faith that the door of everything is Allah. But Allah Ta'ala has created sources and agents for everything. Teacher is the source to bring positive or negative change in all the field of life. Dear listeners, it is the teacher is the producer of ideas and ideology. These ideas develop the faculty of change in the students. He produces the habit of reflection in them, resulting in important discoveries and innovation in future. It is the teacher who cultivates creativity in the society. Creativity is the prerequisite for the development of a nation. As a teacher says, उस्ताद हूँ मुझे उस पर मलाल तोड़ी है, उस्ताद हूँ मुझे उस पर मलाल तोड़ी है, मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल संवारना आसान तोड़ी है। बस उस्ताद ही फिक्रमंद है सबके उरूज के लिए, बस उस्ताद ही फिक्रमंद है सबके उरूज के लिए। यहाँ किसी को किसी का ख्याल तोड़ी है, यहाँ किसी को किसी का ख्याल तोड़ी है। My honorable ideas, it is the teacher who sweeps away the negative, non-scientific and illogical thinking from the society and spread light in the darkness that prevails in our country today. Excellency, teacher plays a role as ambassador and peacemaker. He makes brave of the students. He always tries to improve the character strength of the society. He is the role model for the rest of the people. He is the leader, he is the maker, he is the judge, he is the reformer. He breaks the idol of injustice and brutality. Certainly, he is the harbinger of what the nation demands for the welfare of the state. He tries to maintain peace and stability in the region. He tries to settle all the disputes through wisdom and reality. मेरी उस्ताद मेरी जात एक शजर बरमाया है, मेरी उस्ताद मेरी जात एक शजर मरवाया है। तेरे मेवे इल्म ने मेरी जात को सजाया है। जौहरे अकल को जुगाया गौहरे इश्क से सजाया, गौहरे अकल को जुगाया गौहरे इश्क से सजाया। जिंदगी गुजारने का वो गुर नायाब सिखलाया है। गम नहीं गुर जमाने ने तेरा मुकाम नहीं पहचाना, गम नहीं गुर जमाने ने तेरा मुकाम नहीं पहचाना। कुछ कम नहीं आपने पेशे पैगंबर अपनाया है। थैंक्स फॉर लिसन टू माय वर्ड्स। पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद।